Today I'll be demonstrating double time step in tap. Please make sure you go and watch single time step first, as it will show you the clear steps how to begin. There's only one difference in double time step from single time step, so be sure to make sure you watch the video and learn single time step first, as that is more detailed. This just really shows you the changes. But a quick recap for the single time step, but as I say, go back and watch the video if you can't keep up. Just to remind you, a single time step is shuffle, hop, spring, forward tap, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, tap, ball change, shuffle, hop, spring, tap, ball change, shuffle, hop, spring, tap, ball change, shuffle, hop, spring, tap, ball change. Now the thing to remember is there is only one difference. Single time step was shuffle, hop, spring, and the ending will remain the same for double, but instead of the shuffle, hop, spring, we will do shuffle, hop, tap, spring. So single time step, shuffle, hop, spring, double time step, shuffle, hop, tap, spring. So reminding you of a tap spring is a forward tap followed immediately by springing onto that foot. So, double time step, shuffle, hop, forward tap, spring landing on the ball, and then your ball change. Tap, ball change. So the ending is the same as the single time step. It's just instead of spring at the beginning, shuffle, hop, spring in single, we make shuffle, hop, tap, spring. And again, double time step, shuffle, hop, tap, spring. Now the ending the same as the single time step, tap, ball, change. So it's all the same at the beginning, all the same at the end, just instead of the spring in single, we now make tap, spring. And again, double, shuffle, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball, change. 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 Do you see how you can move it around a little bit if you want to? There is another time step that goes from corner to corner, but we'll do that another time. So a bit faster now, double time step. Remember, when you do it fast, your springs and tap springs and hops should all stay on the balls of your feet. So here we go. If you want to do it opposite me in the mirror, you should always use your right foot first. So if you face this filming, I'm going to be your mirror. So I'm using my left leg, but to you, I will be opposite you like your mirror. So double time step, shuffle, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball, change. 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 Single time step. Shuffle, hop, spring, tap, ball, change. 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 Double. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, tap, ball, change. 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 Do not travel on this time step, all on the spot. Don't forget to watch part 1, the single time step first, to recap that one, and good luck with your double time step. Watch out for more time steps coming soon. Goodbye for now.